Hi students, this is Teacher Dean. Today we are going to do ED sound as in past tense. Again, ED sound as in past tense. Not ED as in the word Edward, which is a name. We're going to do ED as in past tense. So the first one is, when we're looking at ED as in the ED sound, patted. Then the next one is as in the T sound, as in fixed. Then we're looking at it as in the D sound, as in played. So let's go through each screen. So if the word ends with a T, if the root word ends with a T, as in pat, we say patted. Patted. Here in the picture, the man patted the dog. So here we see the word pat. We double the T and add ED, and that becomes patted. Now, this word also ends with a T, bat. So we have the ED sound. It becomes batted. What do we see the little boy doing? This is in the past. The boy batted the ball. Let's go to the next word. Now, here we see the word bat again, the little boy. The boy batted the ball. Now here, let's look at this word. This word is rat. And in the picture, the lady in the green ratted out her classmates to the principal, the lady in the brown. So the student ratted her out, her classmates. That means she talked about what was happening in the class to the principal. Now let's look at the next word that ends with T, and that's pitted. Pitted. So we are buying pitted prunes. What are pitted prunes? Prunes where we take out the seeds. Do you eat pitted dates? How do we know how to say that? Because the word pit ends in T, pitted. Now, let's look at the next word. This word ends with D, right? That's a D sound. Counted. Ends with T rather. So we say counted. The man counted the money. Okay? That ends with T. Words that ends with D. Land. Landed. Right? The plane landed. So if you look in the picture, you can see where the plane landed. And we can also see something else happening in the picture. The moving walkway ended. Again, the moving walkway ended. And this is all happening at the airport. So we can say the plane landed, the moving walkway ended. That's what we see in the picture. Now we're going to look at ED words with T sounds. So if the words end with C, the root word end with C, CK, CH, F, K, P, PH, S, SH, and X, they all end with a T sound. So we go with word pitch. Ends with the CH. The word is pitched. Clock. Ends with CK. The word is clocked. Now let's go to number 3, watch. Ends with CK. The word is watched. Ox ends with K, the word is asked. Help ends with P, the word is helped. Flip ends with P, the word is flipped. So these are words that end with T sound. So let's start from the top again. Clock, clocked. Pitch, pitched. Watch, watched. Ask, asked. Help, helped. Flip, flipped. Now let's go with another set of words. So the words that end with the CK sound, we can see ends with, the sound is T. The words end with CK, the past tense is the T sound. So it's kicked, kicked. The man kicked the soccer ball. Words end with CK gets a T sound. Clocked, clocked. We can see here the driver clocked at 132 miles per hour. That means he's going very fast. Clocked. The police clocked the driver at 132 miles per hour. Now, words that end with CH also gets the T sound. Pitch, pitched. The boy pitched the ball, and you can see he's going to throw it to his family. The boy pitched the ball. Now, words that end with what they call noisy sound. Climb, climbed. Chew, chewed. Play, played. Open, opened. Study, studied. So let's look at some examples. Words, they end with W and they end with a noisy sound. So we say chew, chewed. The girl chewed the melon. We can also see that she's eating. She bit the melon. Everybody can see that happens in the past tense. So she bit the melon, she chewed the melon, as in eating. Now let's look at another word, play. This word is play. It ends with the noisy sound, played. In this picture, we can see the man played the guitar. The man learned to play the guitar. We can see that in this picture. So, what did we learn about all these words? If we listen, or what we know what the word ends with, then we're able to pronounce them properly. So students, I hope this helped with knowing how to sound them out. Words with noisy sounds. We also have words that end in C, CK, CH, FK, P, PH, SSH, and X. They all end with the T sound. And words that end with D or with T gets the ED sound. Thank you, everyone, and I hope this helped. See you next class.